Alright, hello everyone, welcome to Basement Fire Alarm Test 48. Today I'm doing something a little different today. We are doing a throwback to Basement Fire Alarm Test 1, the first basement fire alarm test. But I'm doing something just a little bit different, and I'll go over that in just a second. But if you remember, I have the Simplex 2099-9754 older variation up once more, same exact one from the first test. As I mentioned, it's got the older style lock on it and the older style logo on the bottom. It's got an older style backplate and label on the inside, so older style 2099. And if we go look at the horn strobe, we have the exact same Simplex 4903-9219. Now the change is with this 4903 in Basement Fire Alarm Test, Basement Fire Alarm Test 1, it just did continuous. But for Test 48 with the Simplex theme, I decided to change things up just a little bit, and it'll be doing code 3 from the panel. So the strobe will flash a little funny, and we won't have audible silence because it is still a 2-wire alarm. Sounds exactly the same as it did in the first test. But there it is, 15 candela. There's no label, but it's 15 candela since this is a 9219. And with that, I think we'll go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Alright, here we go. Okay, so as I mentioned, no audible silence, it's just a 2-wire alarm. It flashed and sounded in code 3, which it isn't great for these horn strobes to do that, but that's how it is. So yeah, it's a bit of a throwback to test 1. I did this exact setup about a year and 3 months ago, I'd say. Yeah, sounds about right, give or take, left over from when the system was just recently installed, because this whole setup has been in place since early 2020, like right after lockdowns began. So anyway, reset it just like that, and we're good. And just for the heck of it, we'll go ahead and do a key activation. Okay, so I think that's enough noise for tonight, so we'll go ahead and reset. And that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.